Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fluent English Daily, your daily English learning partner. Today we're going to learn how to speak English confidently at the grocery store. You'll learn real phrases, common questions, and practice dialogues you can use right away. Whether you live abroad or plan to travel, this video is for you. Let's get started.
Before we go shopping, we usually make a plan. Let's start with some useful English you can say at home. I need to go grocery shopping today. Let's make a shopping list. We're out of eggs and milk. I want to buy some fresh vegetables. Can you check the fridge? What else do we need? Now listen and repeat with me. I need to go grocery shopping. We're out of rice. I'll stop by the supermarket after work. Now you enter the grocery store. You might hear,
Hi, welcome to Fresh Mart. Do you need a cart or a basket?
you can say,
Hi, I'm just looking around. Thanks, I'll grab a cart. Where can I find the shopping baskets? Let's learn some quick words. Cart is the big one with wheels. Basket is the small one you carry. Useful phrases. Excuse me, where are the onions? Which aisle is the cereal in? Do you have almond milk? What time do you close? Don't be shy to ask for help. Here are some polite ways to do that. Excuse me, can you help me find the peanut butter? I'm looking for canned beans. Is this on sale? Do you have a smaller size? Let's look at a short example. Excuse me, where can I find the rice? It's in aisle 5 next to the pasta. Thank you. Or another one. Do you have gluten-free bread? Yes, it's in the health food section. Great, I'll check it out. Now practice with me. Do you have any dairy-free yogurt? Is there a discount on this item? I'll take 2 of these, please. Let's talk about food and how to describe what you want. Examples. I'd like a loaf of bread. I need 2 bottles of water. Can I get a dozen eggs? I'll take half a kilo of tomatoes. Vocabulary tip. A loaf is for bread. A bunch is for bananas, grapes, or herbs. A pack is for snacks or drinks. A can is for canned food, and a jar is for things like jam or peanut butter. You can also say, I'm looking for something spicy. Is this product fresh? Do you have something cheaper? Repeat after me. I'll take 1 bunch of bananas. I'm looking for a small bottle of olive oil. Can I get 500 grams of chicken breast? Let's practice some real conversations at the fresh counters. Can I get 300 grams of ground beef?
Sure. Anything else?
That's all, thanks. Or at the produce section, are these avocados ripe?
Not yet, but these ones are ready to eat.
Great, I'll take 2. Some more phrases. Can you slice it for me? Do you have organic options? Can I see the expiration date? You're ready to check out. Here's what you might hear. You're ready to check out. Here's what you might hear. Did you find everything okay? Do you have a loyalty card? Would you like a bag? And here's how you can respond. Yes, thank you. No, I don't have a card. I'll pay with my debit card. Can I pay by cash? Do you accept mobile payments? Yes, I'd like a paper bag. No bag, thanks, I brought my own. Asking for the receipt. Can I get a receipt, please? Can you email the receipt to me? Practice these checkout phrases with me. I'll pay with my card. Yes, I'd like a bag. No receipt, thank you. Let's review today's key vocabulary. Cart, basket, aisle, checkout, receipt, cashier, discount, sale, can, bottle, loaf, pack, fresh, organic, ripe, out of stock, price tag, shopping list. Great job today! Now you know how to speak English confidently at the grocery store. Remember to practice these phrases and dialogues out loud. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more real-life English lessons every week. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite thing to buy at the store? See you next time and happy shopping!